Time. How often have you thought about the fact that it doesn't just pass but calls out to you? Time is not just seconds and minutes ticking on your alarm clock. It's a living, moving entity that's always with you. But did you know that every person has their special hour, a moment when the forces of the universe are ready to unleash your true potential? Today, I will tell you how to recognize when your time has come and how to use that moment to change your life. When was the last time you felt that the world was literally pushing you towards something? That everything around you seemed to whisper, now or never? This feeling is no coincidence. In Buddhist philosophy, time is not considered linear, but cyclical. It's like a circle where each turn brings its energy. Imagine that each day is a wheel of opportunities, and if you know how to hear its ring, you can let new forces and ideas into your life. Buddhist monks believe that every person is born with a unique link between their date of birth and time. It's like a key to the doors of destiny. Take a look at your life. When were you the luckiest? Were they specific days, hours, or maybe even seasons? These moments are not random. They follow certain laws that can be deciphered. But how do you know when your time has come? Imagine, you're walking down a road and suddenly the sun breaks through the clouds. You feel a surge of strength, inspiration, or on an ordinary day, everything suddenly falls into place. You find a solution to a difficult problem, meet an important person, or simply understand what you want. These are signs. This is time speaking to you. One of the simplest ways to determine your time is to turn to numbers. For example, take your date of birth. If you were born on the 15th, add the digits. 1 plus 5 equals 6. This number can tell you a lot about your strengths and when you are at the peak of your energy. Compare it to the current date or even the time of day. Sometimes, just by calculating your number, you can understand when to act. For instance, if your number is 3, it means your time is moments of creativity and spontaneity. Look at the clock. If you see 3:33, it could be a sign. If your number is 7, then your hour is silence and meditation. It's the time to isolate yourself, focus, and make important decisions. Don't forget about the power of morning and evening hours. Buddhists say that the morning sun is the energy of awakening, a new life, while the evening is a time to close your eyes and hear the whispers of your heart. Use these periods to tune into your wave. To understand your right hours, try keeping a journal. Write down when you feel the most energetic or conversely, the calmest. Notice when the best ideas come to you, when you act decisively and effectively. Over time, you will see a pattern. There's another important aspect. Time is not just the hands on a clock, but also an internal feeling. Sometimes you may feel ready to act even though the clock says it's too early. Listen to your heart. It holds your most accurate calendar. One of the most inspiring examples is the story of a man who waited his entire life for his moment. He believed his time would come when his favorite tree bloomed. And one day, it happened. He realized it was the moment for an important decision, and it changed his destiny. Maybe you also have your own tree, your sign. Think about it. In Buddhism, there is the practice of contemplating time. It's not just meditation, but a way to slow down and feel how life flows. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and imagine time as a river. It flows around you, but you decide when to step into its waters. Try this practice and you will understand that time is your friend. But remember, time doesn't wait. If you miss your moment, it might not come again. Imagine a door opening before you, but it closes in a few seconds. Will you manage to enter? It all depends on you. If you want to learn more about your time, study not just numbers, but the world around you. Sometimes hints come from unexpected places. It could be a song you heard in the morning or a random conversation with a friend. So now that you know time is more than just hours, use this wisdom. Understand that every morning is a chance, every evening is an opportunity to reflect on what's past. And most importantly, never be afraid to act. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share in the comments if you've ever felt that your special hour has come. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll share how to calculate your financial code using numerology and achieve success. Remember, time is always on your side if you know how to listen to it. See you soon.